Join me as I dive into the world of cybersecurity to see if DeepSeek really can revolutionize the way we protect our data. DeepSeek is being hailed as a groundbreaking solution that's set to transform the landscape of cybersecurity, and I'm excited to dive in and see what all the fuss is about. With cyber threats on the rise, it's clear that something needs to change, and DeepSeek is poised to be that game changer. The current state of cybersecurity is precarious, to say the least. We're seeing an unprecedented number of attacks on organizations of all sizes, from small startups to massive corporations. And despite our best efforts, traditional defenses are struggling to keep up. The sheer volume of threats is overwhelming, and it's clear that we need a new approach if we're going to stay ahead of the attackers. The problem is, most of our current defenses are reactive, meaning they're designed to respond to threats after they've already occurred. And while that's better than nothing, it's not enough. We need a proactive solution that can anticipate and prevent attacks before they happen. Furthermore, traditional defenses often rely on fragmented systems that don't communicate with each other, leaving gaps for attackers to exploit. And even when we do manage to detect a threat, responding to it can be a complex and time-consuming process. It's clear that we need a new way of thinking if we're going to stay safe in the digital world. Cybersecurity is a cat and mouse game, and it's time for us to start thinking like the attackers. We need to be able to anticipate their moves and stay one step ahead, and that's exactly what DeepSeek promises to do. By leveraging advanced AI and machine learning algorithms, DeepSeek is able to detect and respond to threats in real time, anticipating and preventing attacks before they can do any damage. So, how does DeepSeek work its magic? For starters, it uses a unique combination of machine learning and natural language processing to analyze network traffic and identify potential threats. This allows it to detect even the most sophisticated attacks, including those that would evade traditional defenses. And because it's constantly learning and adapting, DeepSeek is able to stay ahead of the attackers, anticipating their next move and adjusting its defenses accordingly. This means that organizations can finally get ahead of the threat curve rather than constantly playing catch-up. But what really sets DeepSeek apart is its ability to integrate with existing systems, providing a unified defense strategy that's greater than the sum of its parts. This means that organizations can finally get a clear picture of their security posture, identifying vulnerabilities and weaknesses before they can be exploited. And because DeepSeek is designed to be scalable, it can grow with your organization, providing effective protection no matter how large or complex your network may be. I've seen some amazing case studies that really drive home the effectiveness of DeepSeek. One that really stood out to me was a major financial institution that was able to prevent a devastating ransomware attack using DeepSeek. The attackers were able to get past the company's traditional defenses, but DeepSeek's AI-powered system was able to detect the anomaly in real time, alerting the security team and allowing them to take action before any damage was done. The results were staggering. The company was able to save millions of dollars in potential losses, not to mention the reputational damage that would have come with a successful attack. Another case study that caught my eye was a healthcare organization that was able to prevent a major data breach using DeepSeek. The attackers were able to gain access to the company's network, but DeepSeek's advanced analytics were able to identify the suspicious activity and alert the security team. Thanks to DeepSeek, the organization was able to contain the breach and prevent sensitive patient data from being compromised. It's clear that DeepSeek is a game changer when it comes to cybersecurity by providing a proactive, integrated defense strategy. It's able to stay ahead of even the most sophisticated attackers. And with its scalable, adaptable design, it's an effective solution for organizations of all sizes. So there you have it. DeepSeek is revolutionizing the world of cybersecurity, and it's an exciting time to be a part of it. If you've got thoughts on DeepSeek or cybersecurity in general, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest tech trends and insights, be sure to check out my other videos for more.